breakfast. What do you want?
Anything. Anything.
What is anything?
You already know to prepare.
Alright. Sure you don't want Minster? Alright.
There's something I want to tell you.
You can't wait for me to make the breakfast.
I really have to tell you.
I was just right there. Relax.
Just enough some more color.
Alright, you have my undivided attention. What is it?
And that's all I need. Listen, we've been together for a while now. So when I've been thinking about this. Can I have rain, please? Yes, so I've been thinking about this. Like, I don't want to go another day without you in my life, right? Like, the love I have for you and the feeling I have for you keep growing. It's not getting less and less. Like, it's keep growing and growing. Alright? And I have to, like, I love you and I love the kids.
I know you do.
So I don't want to go another day without doing this. Because I want to spend the rest of my life
Doing
with
what?
you.
Wait.
Hello, what's up?
Allen, which way are you? I need to talk to you now.
Too.
No, we can't talk over the phone. It's important. I need to see you now.
So what talk about? Actually, I want to meet you somewhere.
Meet me at the parking in the next 15 minutes. Alright.
Yeah.
Mom got the pharmacy to get something. Can I go get them and come back?
You don't stay long enough. Remember, soon leave.
Yes, sorry.
Okay.
Hey, Evil, what's up? Come in now.
here, sweetie. Where you at?
I'm right
Oh
here.
my God, girl, you're glowing. What's going on?
You're bothering.
Oh my God!
Yo, come on, man.
Oh my God, I'm so happy for you.
Yeah, man.
You know,
English.
So, when is the wedding?
Yeah.
then?
man.
Yo, the fucking
Oh my God!
Let's go with a reach here, man.
Oh my God! Yeah. So, I'm the bridesmaid, right?
You ever ask me that?
I can't listen. Oh my God! Oh my God! Yeah. Oh my God! It's so lovely. Oh my God! It fits me too.
Yeah, I'm gonna try and make you get bouquet.
Okay. Yes. Yeah, I love it. So what's going on? What's going on?
Well, you finally popped the question.
And what was your response? I mean, like, seriously, clearly.
I'm
this one
gonna
you feel
ring my
so-
girl, I must yes.
Yeah.
I must yes.
So how do you feel about him?
What do you mean?
You think he's a good person?
Of course. We've been together like for 3 years and him love my kids, them, him adore me, so
Well,
Him take care of business, so.
my grandmama used to say wolves in sheep clothing.
Well, I'm gonna find the fault then I'm gonna find it. You know how long me a search Mr.
Well,
Right.
let's put that behind us. We're getting ready for the bigger day. Yeah! Yeah!
So, we go on a bag of things.
Well, I need like stiletto. Yeah.
So why you spill all of that?
Cause I know.
Yeah, so my time I just chat too much, you know, 'cause you're gone all the way are still at the meeting.
Yeah. And Peruvian, I've always want to try that.
My girl, you know much one year?
Peruvian, I mean, that will not even shake you guys. It will not. Definitely not.
You like want to put a big dent in my budget
Girl,
and
I'm
my
your
pocket.
sister, I'm your best friend, and I'm also your bridesmaid. So again, I have to be
Wait a-
shining.
I'm just getting married once, so might as well but do it.
Epic. Yeah. So I'll see you tomorrow.
Alright.
Yeah. Love you.
Love you too, babe.
Okay, bye.
Don't walk on me, no. Don't walk on me. What you mean I want to me? Me wake up this morning and I can't even keep down my breakfast. Me a vomit. What you mean what I mean? I feel like say I breathe me not.
Breathe you?
Yes.
I use protection, G. Don't tell me
What
that,
you mean
dog.
boy use protection? Protection do 100%.
How you mean? Me no say never bust now.
You did check if it did bust?
Of course.
You never did check if it bust. And me pregnant and I hear it.
I know my pitney, G. So may I tell you something? Why you breeze me?
Listen
Come, you know, say I know
to
my
me,
baby.
listen to me. I'm pregnant and I hear it.
I know my baby that G, so you know late, isn't it?
Oh, me see you. Me I come, me I walk around. Girl. What? Yeah, go girl. Your phone's up on the phone. Girl, you don't know say this morning, me come to talk to Alwyn. To tell him say it's a possibility that me pregnant. You know hear what this boy that tell me say?
Wait, back up. Pregnant?
Yeah,
You pregnant?
yeah. But the funny thing about it is, after I tell him, hear what the boy, hear what the dirty boy gonna tell me say.
Him say,
Me for breeze him.
him bright. And that you should have breezed the dirty boy with couple back. So
Ma.
that you should have do.
But what me gonna tell my mother say?
Girl, tell your mother say it was a mistake.
Mistake?
You tell her say you experiment.
You mean she got mistake me out of the house?
And not my fault. Girl, listen. Me I tell you, say, just tell her, say, mommy, I want me a experiment. I'm gonna go try one.
Experiment?
I
You
say you
come
should
like
have.
you forgot the mother when me have.
You should have shot off for Halloween just like that.
You know some don't like a style? I don't like a style sometimes.
Continue, girl.
So I tell him and him something for breeze him and he walk down about him business.
It's a dirty drunker that you go pick up in one dirty drunk.
I don't even know what I'm gonna bad about me I give him quickie about.
Now you're an idiot, then you want to fling it up on the boy.
Girl, stop.
But fun and jokes aside, it's not a possibility to say you're pregnant, so we can go over the pharmacy or we can take a test.
Well, we have to go over there, go take a test, go buy a test for verify for make sure say I saw it go. Or if not.
Don't worry yourself, girl. You're pregnant.
I hope so.
Good.
I'm gonna send her to my back, go say she's pregnant from my dog. I know,
So So now just wait a minute, say knock it, my youth.
I'm knock it, but I use protection, G.
You sure it did, boss?
No, it never bust, dog.
What you gonna do now?
I don't know, because I know say no man, so I don't have to worry about it. But
You
it's
even take a
still
DNA test, but have to see if
No,
I
do
get.
no DNA test, G.
Well, what you gonna do when the baby come?
I don't know, because I know say no man, so I don't have to meds it, dog.
So you gonna tell your mother and your father?
Tell them say no man, straight up, because I know say no man pitney. Use protection, it never bust nor leak nor nothing.
So what for your parents, them think about it?
I don't know, I'm not even business about her no more, dog. I want her to
So
brace
and so,
her,
no left?
dog. Yes, my G.
My youth, you can't leave far so with the baby, you know?
But I don't mind something for do.
I know my youth.
You talk thing, man.
Yeah, man.
Oh, really?
Mm.
Okay, let's see.
Sandra.
Leave me alone.
Sandra, talk to me now.
Leave me alone.
Sandra, you know say you come like a daughter to me. You
You
say,
come like a daughter to you, of course. After you ride me for 1 year and breed me.
Sandra, you calm down, Sandra. You talk to me. Listen to me, I said, you know, we are get a load from. And we are talking about breed. How me get pregnant?
You get me pregnant when you ride me for...
Sandra, listen to me, I said to you. Listen to me, I said to you. Take time talk.
Don't tell me to take time and talk. What my mother gonna say about this?
Sandra. How me get you pregnant that morning?
What you mean how you get me pregnant? You ride me for almost 1 year now.
Listen, keep the baby and tell your mother say, look a boyfriend breed. Look how
My little boyfriend breed me. You think he have sense? Him know say I feel pick me.
let's do an abortion then because I can't own up this baby.
I'm gonna tell my mother.
Listen to me, I say, Sandra, before you go so far, listen to me, I say to you, know, bring the baby and make the youth know say I feel baby.
Him know say I feel
Sandra, listen.
When me I gonna tell my mother say about all of this?
Sandra, if you tell your mother say you I'll back you, know your mother love me, I'll back you right there. But you can't go to your mother and tell her say, I got your pregnant.
Why I can't tell her?
It's gonna mash up everything, Sandra.
Well, everything has to
Sandra,
mash
it's
up.
gonna mash up.
So my future don't count.
Sandra, nah, you me. Listen, I will do my help you to take care of the baby. Right? But you can't tell your mother this, Sandra.
Well, you know, are you wrong?
Christ.
You never did think about that before?
Never, I don't know why I get myself mixed up in that because Jesus Christ.
Karen, I can come over no more and talk to you about something. Yeah.
Talk to me, I want
Remember how you tell us I'm pregnant for Halloween?
Yeah, the dirty boy.
I'm pregnant for.
What you mean? What you try to say?
My mother was soon to be husband. I'm pregnant for.
All you lick your head. You lick your mother new man? Look at girl another sense.
What me I gonna do?
You better pray to God so your mama no kill you. You talk to him? You tell him say him pregnant for?
Today, that's why I'm call it come over.
What am I gonna do?
Him tell me say I'm for pretend like say Halloween.
Jesus. What kind of problem this you could get yourself in now? Not even say you're pregnant alone and you're pregnant for your mother man or new man. Why this is a sticky situation, girl? I don't know what to tell you to do.
But anyway, still, you done differently still. And even that I call you to talk to you about still, because you don't know. Yo, from what I pray in no blood, but I just share it even know, I just show. Are your best friend and I say, yo, John, no, I don't even want to. You know?
Where I come off with Kenny? Where I come
Yo,
off
be
with?
me rate you one type of way, be me and tell you say, yo, John, no, I don't even know. More while, I just want to tell you, but I don't find the words at that time, you know what I mean?
No, I'm not agree with that, you know, even my best friend, you know. I remember say, my man and you are like that, so we can't do that. We can't, don't even bother think about it.
You know.
What do you mean?
babe, me here come from far.
Yes,
Yeah.
and we respect one another. I don't want nothing to come between we, you know. So, but you just make it stay yourself. I don't want to feel act weird around you and all of them something like so. We can we just continue to be friends and me talk to my girl for you and just go out with it. Me talk to her, man.
Alright.
I'm going to link my virgin over there, so my best friend say I came for lunch, so I see you. Don't worry about it, I'm going to talk to you, alright?
Right, man. One love here.
Serious. Secret in love with you for a long time. Why me hoping to come between me and you, you know?
What are you talking about? The secretly in love with me, Jay?
It seems like I'm just too late right now. I should have tell you from a long time. But it seems like I'm kind of late right now. I'm hoping to come between me and you.
Yes, you are late, and it won't come between me and you because guess what? I don't love you like that. You're my best friend.
I get that.
And it won't come between. I don't want it to come between. I really don't.
That's understandable. I still will support you in anything you want to do.
I hope you do. I hope you do.
And make sure say invite me to the wedding doing a champagne with drink.
You know if it's a must. If we're friends, what's good? Let's go and get something to eat, man.
You know, I have to call Raisha. I have to call him. I'm stressed out. I'm alone, can't eat right now. Stressed out, man. I'm stressed out and I'm not answering phone. Oh boy. Oh yeah, Raisha. Am I there, you know? No, I'm not good. Oh, you mean what? You don't know what, man? I'll do it. Remember, say we did touch, you know. Something about that I have to talk to you about. What you say? Listen, man. Listen. Because I actually never have the courage to tell you the other day. You breed me. Yeah. You breed me. And right now, my head ship. Because I don't know I'm going to tell him. My baby father say, we not even grind from the other day. How long now? Because what? Him dedicate himself to him work. I just can't take this no more. It's either you man up or something. About who? Raisha, about what? You're tripping. I'm having this child whether you like it or not. And you gotta take responsibility when I ask you. What you say? But no business if me and Beverly friendship have to break up because of that, it go and break. You're mad, man. You're mad. But come like a tsunami in that. Yeah? You better. I may look for you. Yeah? Try hurry up.
Daddy, Mommy called Raisha say she'll be film.
Where your mother then?
She do this so.
Alright, let's go and see on the sun out there. Yeah man, half out. Hi. How are you on the phone? Eh?
What you talking about?
Who are you on the phone? Who are you talking to?
Nobody.
Who are you talking to?
Nobody.
Where are you going with? How are you going a while ago?
What?
We are talking on the phone.
Nobody.
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 Let me see phone.
No, baby, I can't see
Yeah,
my
let me see
phone.
phone. Yeah,
No,
let me
baby,
see
you can't see
phone.
my phone. No. This is my phone.
I say you move.
How?
We are talking on the phone.
Nobody.
Nobody. You don't talk to nobody.
I'm just like listening to some music. Is that a
We
problem?
are breed for.
What?
We are breed for. Hmm?
Seriously?
Who you are breed for?
What are you talking about?
Stop going like that, you that. Are you that? Hmm? We are breed for.
Kenny, stop it.
Say who you are breed for.
Stop it.
You not talk to me. Say who you are breed for. Me
Stop it. I don't know what you're talking about.
Just talk to me, my lord. We are breed for.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Yeah? You are breed.
I'm not.
You are breed.
I'm not.
Yeah, man. Me you want to go on, man. Think me ain't gonna know.
What?
Yeah, man.
Just say something.
Yo, just come straight, man. Where you
I
going
don't
with?
know what you're
You
talking
don't know me
about.
at all,
Seriously, I don't know.
You don't know me at all?
No. No, honestly, I
Alright.
don't.
Don't know me at all?
No.
Let me see phone.
No.
Let me see what you are talking. We are talking a while ago.
No.
Let me see phone.
Mm-mm. Give me my phone.
Lisa.
Give me my phone.
I don't know who you are talking a while ago.
You need to give me my phone. Seriously, you need to.
Stop that now. Daddy, stop that now.
Boy, yeah, man. That means your son never tell no lie.
Come to your girl then. You don't have no time with me.
Oh, that's
You
the
not
thing
spend
there.
no time with me. You're married to your career. To the studio, you come like at the studio, you breed or something. You not spend no time with me, Kenny.
So that's all they have to say. Yeah? Where you deal with General? Where you there? How about you? Alright. Now come give you a link, dog. No, yeah, man, everything good, man. Now come give you a link, man. Let's stay away there. Alright.
Yo, what going?
What going on, my lad?
What going to do?
Say I'm a dog, my lad.
What kind of premises? What going?
Say I'm a dog, my lad. What that, my lad?
So, brother, what kind of premises? What you talking about? What take place?
Hey, I'm a woman up on the phone a while ago, dog.
No, woman, you talking about, brother.
Yo.
You be a mother like my family.
My
Oh,
lad. What you say? Yo, John, no, dog.
Family name, be a mother that, brother.
Yo, John, no, dog. You breed my woman, dog.
I'm a breeder. Can I fool argument if you are coming to me, brother? I'm a breeder woman, you know. I mean, no one say be a mother that.
You know, dog. Can't believe that to be my dog. Sure, you
Can't believe you ever think that in my first place, my dream. I never, yo, a farmer may afford family, my friend. You see me? I'm for go behind your back and go link your woman. My style of my dream, I like that style of your pull off to you, see me?
Yo, dog, I wish you talk to a while ago.
Oh, if you know that.
From a youth, you talk to a while ago.
Brother, oh, me, if you know that.
You are contact from a year number, did
No,
they
you
farm?
can't see my number in here, baby.
You mean, my lad?
You not even have a number on my phone.
Can't believe that.
Not even that on my phone, my family. You see me?
You matter, you messing up.
On my
You
phone.
messing up. Seriously, I'm a dog, you know, but you are going.
Yo, yeah, I'm a blood, brother.
Yo, no blood thing, you see that from, cause blood no moves from.
Yo, don't talk to them, man. You're my family. You see me? Say,
you ever go on,
Yeah.
Yo, everything good.
Yeah, do what you have to do.
A lot. I don't even know where to begin.
Okay then. So you say you want to go to golf drinks tonight?
I don't think drink will help. Well, it might ease for a while.
They love Magnum, so a Magnum we do all night.
I know, but this is bigger than Magnum.
I could have was so bigger than Magnum. You know Magnum and Magnum.
Well, Magnum all night. I know, right? Yeah. Guess it will ease the pain a bit. Seriously.
You can't charge on it. Why not? Dying?
So
Take
you want
charge?
me to cheat?
No,
Seriously?
I say that. I said, why not dying? You must can't get him out. You must know what to do.
Well, sister is always at the studio. It's like married to the studio.
So you're not going there? Why? It's off limits?
It's no difference. It's like I'm invisible.
I don't understand what you say. With all this?
He have no time for me. None.
Girl, put on some sex lingerie and get your heels and just...
You don't think
at the studio.
You don't think I've tried that? Sister?
I don't understand what you say.
I gotta go get me a new man.
No.
I gotta go get me a new man.
No, we have been friends way too long for your talk. You talk all the nonsense there.
No, it's not nonsense. It's not. Basically, he's like seriously dedicated to the studio, not some more.
Remember, so my engage, I say you next out where you hide.
Well, maybe that next man would be like,
Why?
Yeah.
I know what they might tell me, say. Him feel like say ask somebody.
I have a whole permit for you.
Why now tell me that's
So,
something I don't want it.
You think Eurasia is a good man?
Of course. Of course. What do you mean?
Haven't you heard?
My girl just talk straight. Come straight.
Sister,
Come straight.
Sister, trust me. I heard that he got a girl pregnant.
Damn lie, a rumor.
Trust me, over Pines.
People just like gossip. Why nobody can happy for me? Why nobody can happy for me?
It's not that they're unhappy.
But
it's
why?
the fact that it's really happening.
Well, me
It's
to other day
happening.
never bring up that. So why you say that now? Why you saying that now?
Because it just come to me, like today. Like
that's a low blow.
Right now.
Just jealous
No,
and
it's
all
not.
that. Can I have 2 cold dragons, please? Thank you.
Sorry.
So my girl, what you saying? Talk to me.
Well, it's like I'm here. My baby daddy is tripping. I really can't take that. I can't take no more. I know I'm wrong. I admit my wrong.
Yeah.
But again, it's not all on you. Because if he was paying much attention, I guess I would have been like that perfect wife, baby mother that he really needed.
But I can't understand. My thing gonna put like that.
We were until he got married to his studio. Yeah, so
But it
you
takes
know.
care of you though, so.
Listen, that's what most people don't understand. You're in a relationship, time, okay? No matter what you're doing, if your presence, if me not feel it, if you're not there, what you're giving me, it really don't matter.
So tell me now, when we drink all of them here now and you go home and you fully charge, what you gonna do?
But I have nothing to do because my baby daddy like, seriously, don't want to see me right now.
You liar. You
I
liar.
don't think I'm lying. Beverly, you know me. And if I have something,
Yvette.
if I'm like having an affair, I would have said it. You know me.
No,
Babe, stop.
something wrong with you?
Cheers. Just stop. Thank you. Work is this number one
Take the
priority.
bedroom in the studio.
I've tried that too.
You tried.
It didn't work. I guess we grew far apart.
How long have this been going on?
Since my son tell him, his daddy, that I'm pregnant for another man, he overheard me on the phone.
So you're pregnant?
Bev, seriously, I'm not here like lecturing right now. It's gonna like, no, stop, please.
Yvette, we have been friends like forever.
I know, Bev.
And you have been having an affair, now you're pregnant.
It was only
With
one
somebody
time
else.
we got oops, like, remember? I mean, like, we're human.
No, look for me and tell me, say, I'm gonna buy that one time, knowing you, no girl.
Maybe twice.
I'm gonna buy that one
maybe
time.
Twice, maybe 3
So,
times.
my friend, I'm gonna never hear about this man.
Well, as I said before, it's nothing special, so again.
It's not special, but you're pregnant for him.
Accidents do happen, Beverly.
Accident when they drop and buck up in a something or you buck your toe.
Sometimes you got caught up. Trust.
Sugar dick, singing it.
Well, it was sweet. It was like awesome. Epic.
When am I going to meet him?
Well, at the wedding.
Yeah, go on a bag of things. Yeah, babos. Yeah. Okay, collect me.
New work, we gon' move it OT. Move her, she gon' move it for me. When you do it first, then you do it for me. Got that new work, we gon' move it OT. Out of town with that overtime. Right now we gon' overshine. Scoop her, then she roll it first. She roll it up. Overtime, we go to work. You know it's up. Safe to say that I use you and you use me too. Safe to say that I need you and you need me back. No, you do. Safe to say I'm addicted. I need.
Yvette. Yvette.
Beverly, get up! No! Get up! I just caught Rayshaw in your daughter's room with his pants down.
What?
Yes, I'm
Yvette, you're drunk. What are you talking about?
I'm not drunk, lady. I'm not drunk.
Yvette, what are
Can
you
you
talking
not
about?
see?
Hey, Yvette, stop it.
Can you not see that he's
Yvette,
pulling?
stop.
What? Talk to me.
Sanja.
You're such a hypocrite. I saw you. I just caught you.
Baby,
Red-handed.
baby, you know I wouldn't do something like that.
Yeah, shut up!
Oh my
Baby,
god, oh my
listen to
god,
me.
I'm
Baby,
losing
listen,
it.
baby, listen, hey, baby.
What is she talking about?
Baby, listen to me. You know I wouldn't do something like that.
Oh
You
my
know how much I love you and the kids. I would never.
What is she talking about?
She crazy.
Oh yeah? I'm
Look
crazy.
at her, she's crazy.
Oh, so you want to
Listen,
go there?
Listen, she don't want to
You wanna
see
go
you
there?
wearing these rings. Come on, baby, come
Yeah.
on, baby. She
No,
don't want to
What
see
is she talking about?
Listen, baby, she don't want to see us together.
What are you doing in my daughter's room?
I wasn't in. Come on, boo. And you know I wasn't in your daughter's room.
Oh my god.
Why would I even do something like that?
Sandra!
Why would I jeopardize our relationship for
Sandra!
My heart is like...
What is going on? What is going on? Somebody talk to me!
Come on, man.
Why? Why was he in your room?
I wasn't
What do you mean?
I wasn't in the room.
Why was he in your room? I'm not mad. Yvette, what's going on? Explain to me.
Didn't I just say?
What
I
exactly?
Listen, I caught your husband
Yvette, you
in
tried to
your
get
daughter's
with me before.
room with... Shut up.
You tried to get with me before and I told it.
So you want to go there? Oh, trust me, brother, you don't.
You know what she steal. You see me? She try to mash up on me you have.
So you really want to
something
go there?
that we trying to build
Hold
an empire.
up, Buster. Hold up.
Listen,
Hold up.
Don't even come with this, with that right now. Cause I don't even know where you're trying to get.
Okay.
And don't even try to.
I think you have an idea. Beverly.
What are you talking about? What
Babe.
idea?
Beverly.
Baby, listen.
You
Anything
know
you
my
tell her
friend?
going forward, don't.
And I love you. But I have a confession. I'm the one who's pregnant for your husband. I'm sorry. So sorry.
So weird.
I'm
She
like,
pregnant for you and me pregnant.
Listen. Listen. Whoa. Listen what I'm saying. What you do? You getting out of your mind? You getting crazy or something? Whoa.
Yvette, I need you out of my house now.
Boy,
Yvette.
Boy, listen.
Beverly, it's not all my...
Yvette, we need to leave.
Shut up.
We are through.
Shut up. You're no better than I.
Boy, you need to. Boy, you need to
You're
get.
no better than me. Beverly?
How long have I known you?
Since forever.
I treat you like a sister.
I know.
And you went behind my back.
He started it.
I never want to see you again. Leave my house. Leave.
Come out of our house.
You.
Leave.
You're going to pay for
Yvette,
it.
Leave.
Just leave.
You
Just-
are
just-
going
just
to pay
leave.
for this.
Leave. And you. I'm gonna deal with you. Go in your room. And I want no discussion about this. You're not carrying that baby. Go to your room now.
You know why you feel as if me ever in my right mind cheat on you. If I understand, you have to understand something. I love you. You see me? You can't listen to your friend because she just want to break up whatever we have. You see me? And you can't listen to your daughter. Why you gonna listen to all of them people there? Boy, if I never love you, I'm cool day. Boy.
How can you do this to my best friend?
Babes.
My daughter?
Babes, this is what I say to you. I will never, ever try to do you something like that. I will never, ever, ever try to do you something like that. You understand?
Left with my daughter.
I will never, ever try that. Never.
You deserve every bit of pain you feel. You slept with my daughter and my best friend. Pregnant?
Yeah. What do you mean? Me come up here, just come.
Alright, just stay in a... Go get a shower and just stay in bed today. So, come go and get... But I have somebody to introduce to you, you know, so...
Mommy?
My boyfriend.
Boyfriend?
Yeah, my new boyfriend. I'm gonna lose it.
Okay, what's his name?
Risha.
Risha.
Yeah, why you...
He was in my dream, mommy.
Are you crazy? What you talking about? Come, let me go and introduce you to him. Risha!
Sandra?
What's wrong with you?
I never seen him before.
Where?
I'm a dream.